Hi everyone, this is Sumanth. So in this video I just want to talk about LinkedIn. So many of you don't know what is LinkedIn and how to use that. So in this video we will discuss what is LinkedIn and how you can just use it for your career. So many of you who are watching this video can be a college student who are looking for internships, maybe a fresher who are looking for a job, or maybe you are a freelancer who are looking for clients. So or you are maybe a business owner who just want to scale your business through networking. So for all of you, LinkedIn is one of the platform through which you can just do it. If I just want to say it in one word, so this LinkedIn is a professional social networking platform. So social networking platform means if you just take Facebook or Instagram, what we can just do it with that is we can able to connect with our friends, with our family, right, through that platforms. Similarly, this LinkedIn, it's a social networking platform, but it's for professionals. So this is a professional social networking platform through which we can able to connect with the professionals, right? You can just connect with your colleagues who are working in your office, or let's say you can just connect with HRs, or let's say some other business owners, or let's say startup founders. So we can just connect with all those people and you can just build your network. So similarly, how you just send the follow request in Instagram, in similar fashion in LinkedIn we used to send a connection request. So yeah, that's this basic introduction to this LinkedIn. So instead of talking this, so it's better to see what are all the benefits we have through LinkedIn. So let's see how you can just do all those things. First, let's see how you can just create your account. First, when you just want to create your account, you can just click this join now, and you can just give your email and you can just create your password. Then you can just click you can just sign up. So after you sign up, this is how the interface will be. Like you can see the buttons, right? Like the home button, this my network and jobs tab, as well as the messaging tab and notifications tab. So I will just explain you what are all the things available in this, and as well as how to use those things. First, once you just create your account, first it's recommended to create your profile picture. So this is an LinkedIn, is not an Instagram, right? So make sure to create a professional profile picture and use it. So when I just click on me, and you can see this is my account. And next thing is, I've just said you, right, this LinkedIn, through LinkedIn we can able to build our network. So network in the sense connecting with some amazing people in the industry, like whether it may be people who are just relevant to your fields or can be of different fields. How you can just connect? So here you can see we just have this my network tab. So just click on that. So here in this tab, when someone send you connection request, you can see it will just appear here. So you can see I just got some connection request. So whether you can just accept that, or let's say you can just ignore that. For example, let's say if you just want to connect with some people, so you can see here we have some recommendations. So for example, let's say if you want to connect with them, you can just view their profile, and after that you can just click on connect, so that the connection request will send to them. So this is how you can just connect through LinkedIn. So there are a lot of advantages through connections, right? You can just ask for a job referral. For example, let's say if someone is working in a startup, so you can just ask them for referral. So if there is any openings, you can just ask them to refer you for that role. So there are a lot of advantages through connecting. So this is how you can just connect through LinkedIn. And the next thing is creating your personal brand. So for that, you can see you can just come to the your account. So after that, you can see create your about section. You can just describe yourself in short words. Similarly, you can just add your experience. So what are all the internships you have done? What are all the projects you have done, right? You can just update it here. And what are all the certifications you have done? Like whether if you've done some courses, you can just update it here. Like what are all the courses you have done? Like for example, let's say if you just attend some hackathons, you can just update that as well. Things like you can just add your projects as well. So you can just create your personal brand, right? So that it acts like a resume for you. So when you just create like this, so whenever a recruiter saw your profile, so they can just go through all the things at once. If that profile suits them, they will offer you a role, right? So that's how it's important to create a portfolio. So this is how you can just create. And the next thing is applying for jobs. You can see here we have this job section. What are the jobs you just want? So you can just search here. Like for example, let's say machine learning. You can just search, as well as what are the location you just want, in India, or let's say in some other countries. You can just search that, and you can see you can just filter it out, like what are all the postings, like whether the posting is like past month or past week or past 24 hours. You can just filter that. So you can see similarly we have a few filter items as well, like what are the job type, like part-time or temporary or internship you just want, or let's say which company you just want. So you can just add that company as well. So if there is any opening in that company, you will get that here. So that's how you can just search here, and you can see you can directly apply it through here. So that's how you can just apply for jobs. And as well as, for example, let's say if you are a data science guy, or let's say if you are just a software developer, or let's say if you are a college student, or if you just want to participate in some groups. So you can see when I just search internship, so you can see internship in groups. So you can just search that, and you can see there are a lot of internships groups available. So you can just join those groups. So whenever you just join those groups, whenever they just post any new internship, you can just keep updated with that opportunities like internships, etc. So that's how this, you can just use this LinkedIn for engaging in groups as well. So there are a lot of opportunities available in all around the world. If you don't want to miss it, or you definitely want to create a LinkedIn account, and you should be keep regularly active on LinkedIn. I hope this video is helpful for you. So this is all about LinkedIn. So even in my upcoming videos, I will just create how you can just grow your network, like what are the best possible ways you can just grow your network. I will just create such videos as well. So for that, make sure to subscribe the channel, and if you feel this video is helpful, make sure to like the video. So that's all for this video. So I will just see you all in the next video. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.